Hey guys, it's Skips RBPM123, and today I'm going to show you some cars that I got from, actually that my mom got me. So I got this, well not this, but, here's the one that I got. This is a pain in the ass, but I can see why. I don't really I don't like to rip the packaging because it's just too, you probably get what I mean. But yeah, oh, it's a map. Well, I guess it's like a first map, but fuck it. Yeah, here's my current one that I have. It says 12. And here's the one that I got in like a map, the new one. Next, I got this Porsche right here. What in the... I know the packaging on this one looks so fucking bad. So yeah. Oh fuck. Oh, whoa, wait, that's cool. Hold up. It's matte right here, right where the lip is, but it's actually gloss in the rest of the version. That is cool. See, this one's number 63, and this one's 87. So yeah, red and black. This was the current one. This is the new one I got. Here's my Porsche that I got. Here's the pink one I have, the new one, 27. And here's my purple one I currently have. And then the Bugatti. Here's the new one I got, the purple. And here's my current one. The only difference you can see, well, of course, the colors, but the wheels. But yeah, the EB110SS. So yeah, which one do you like? Let me know in the comments below.